Hey, everyone, have you ever thought about the impact your travels have on the planet? Today I'm diving into why sustainable travel is the future of tourism. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. So, what exactly is sustainable travel? It's a concept that covers the entire tourism experience. We're talking about everything from environmental protection to social equity and cultural diversity. Think of it as a holistic approach to travel that aims to improve not just the tourist experience, but also the lives of the host community. It's pretty cool, right? Now let's break it down. Imagine staying at a hotel that uses renewable energy, recycles its waste, and sources food locally. Sounds like a dream, but it's becoming a reality. Eco-conscious travelers are actively seeking out these kinds of accommodations. Why? Because they want to contribute to a healthier environment while enjoying their vacation, and who wouldn't? But sustainable travel isn't just about where you stay, it's about how you travel, what you do, and even what you buy. Opt for public transportation or bikes instead of rental cars. Choose tours that support local communities rather than exploit them. Buy souvenirs from local artisans instead of mass-produced trinkets. Every little choice adds up. One of the best parts, sustainable tourism can create jobs and boost local economies. When travelers spend money on local businesses, it translates to more jobs and better living conditions for the people who live there. It's a win-win situation. You get an authentic travel experience and they get economic growth. Who wouldn't want that? Now, some of you might be thinking, isn't this just a trend? Well, I've got news for you. There's a broad consensus that tourism should be sustainable. In fact, all forms of tourism have the potential to be sustainable if planned, developed and managed properly. And that's where we, as travelers, come in. By making mindful choices, we can influence the industry to adopt more sustainable practices. So next time you're planning a trip, think about how you can make it more sustainable. Look for eco-friendly hotels, support local businesses, choose experiences that respect the environment and local culture. Trust me, not only will you have an amazing time, but you'll also leave a positive impact. All right, folks, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on how to travel smarter and greener. Let's make sustainable travel the norm, not the exception. Thanks for watching and happy travels.